Goethe updates are here. Goethe is open. Yes, it's absolutely correct. It's open. A lot of inquiry. Like this video will be a detailed video about Goethe. Goethe 2021 updates. Want to learn German language? Then yes, German GAN is a one-place solution to learn, to earn, and to get a jobs with German GAN. Goethe exams from September, August. This video is there for you. Let's get into the video. Hi guys, you're watching German GAN. My name is Nidhi and guys, today again I am here for you with another video. So guys, this video is super demanding again for you. So this video will be a Goethe detailed instructions, rules and everything. What is the fees for each exams? What are the things which they are requesting to you? What are the things which they are giving you? Everything's exams related query, each and every query I'm gonna fulfill in this video. So please guys do watch this video till end, and in this I will be updating you for August and September Goethe exams for A1, A2, B1 and B2 levels plus C1 level. So yeah, please stay tuned, and yes, let's get into the video. Before that guys, if you are new on my channel, then guys please do like, share and subscribe this channel, because German GAN is a one-place solution for all your queries related to Germany, German language, visa, German trainings, everything. So guys, what are you waiting for? Click the bell icon and yes, subscribe this channel. Let's get into the video. So guys, here you can say examination dates for September, August are here. So here it is very clearly written that you can book your examination and everything will be online. Like payment you have to do online. Just very limited seats are there for which they are opening the examination dates. So today is also examination date. So yeah, if you haven't booked, then you can book it right now also. So further things, let's go in detail that what are the dates, what are the offer they are giving, and what are the courses in New Delhi. Everything. Registration starting, it is written clearly from 4 August and today is 4 August. So yes, registration are on. I think so it has been done at 11 a.m. today. So yeah, let's go further. Now guys, you can see it is written, I'm clicking examination dates. Now these are the examinations for September. It has been written that when the registration will be on, when result will be there, and when is the exam. So three things are written, plus I'm highlighting the things which you have to read. This is a must thing. So it has written due to pandemic of COVID, the things are going like this. Institute, like whole German embassy plus libraries closed. So these all are the dates for A1, A2, B1, B2, not C1 for September. So in September, all the 4 German level, which is A1, A2, B1 and B2 dates, registration dates, everything is open. And very important thing which is mentioned at the end is, guys, now you can see it is clearly written that certificate will be dispatched within next 5 weeks after the examination date. So you have to focus over this. Plus it is not possible to release the rate individually, so they will be giving you like this. So all the very best for the exams. So guys, now I am clicking to August dates. So these are the examination dates, and same it is written, all you will be watching here the examinations for A1, B1 and B2. You will, and C1 also. In this we are having for C1 also. We are not having for A2 in August. If you are applying in August, then A2 slots you will not get. As you have seen for September, yes, we are having. Plus guys, all the links I'm gonna give you down. So guys, it basically says that these are all the things which they have written just to get precautions for COVID pandemic. So they are clearly saying before our arrival we are having different things. So first is before arrival. So please do check your email ID once you leave your home, because they can give you the updates. What are the update? Maybe the exam gets cancelled, maybe the date has changed, or any situation can be there. So guys, it's a request, if you are leaving for examination, make sure you check your website or your email which you have registered, which you have given while registration. It is very very important. As I have told you, is closed only for the exam candidates with a proper registration. The form which you will be getting, that will be allowed only. So guys, it has clearly written that if you are feeling sick or you have any symptoms like minor symptoms also, if or any infected person you have met in earlier days, or maybe in your family anything is there, guys, please don't go and give the exam. Please, before the if you have something like this, then please guys, before the exam, please inform on this email which is given, registration hyphen delhi at the rate goethe.e. And guys, one thing, wearing mask is compulsory. You should carry your own water bottle, your own food, because cafeteria in Goethe Institute will be closed. So yeah, and if you want to take extra protection, then you can have the gloves plus face shield also. That will be in a good way. Guys, it's for the arrival. Please arrive at least 30 minutes prior for your exam dates. Make sure you do this. And guys, let me tell you, uh, please use sanitizer. The staff member of Goethe will be testing your temperature. So yeah. Plus, when you will be getting the examination receipt, on that email you can say you will be getting one self declaration form. So guys, please do fill that. It's compulsory, and bring along with you original Aadhaar card or passport is mandate. No photocopies will be accepted. It has clearly written. Admission may be denied. Admission can be also cancelled if you don't get your self declaration form, examination receipt. And most important thing, please do carry your negative RT-PCR report. It can be a rapid, so but not older than 72 hours. And if you have get final, like you have got both the two vaccination dose, then you should carry that certificate. So that is very very important. And in case you have been tested positive or negative in last 3 months, so you should carry that report. So guys, you don't have to carry a very big or proper bag. You just need to get a very small bag. You put your documents, you put your water bottle and little food for you, and you are perfect to go, because they will be not giving you a very big space to keep your bags. There are a very small, you can say, allotted space which they will be providing you. Wrist watches are not allowed, so please don't get that. Plus stationary item like pen, pencil or something is not allowed. They will be giving you everything in examination hall. So yeah, all the very best. Let's talk about inside the institute. So guys, inside the institute, it's very basics, which it's very basic things which they have told: maintain distance, sanitize, and mask is very compulsory. So everything is like that. PDF you will find in description, so you can read it. So yeah, and they all will be taking a very 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 extremely measures which they should do for the safety purpose of their self, their whole Goethe staff, plus of course for yourself. So make sure you do that. And last but not the least, after exam, it's a very important thing. Somebody, unfortunately, if any candidate which uh, if somebody has diagnosed with COVID-19 within 3 weeks after they have taken the exam, please guys, uh, we request you, they have requested that please do inform us by email this, so that they can be also like, what should I say, they can be also alert that okay, something can happen. I never pray that this gonna happen, because I've seen this creation, this thing in wave 1 and wave 2 also. So god bless you all, say bless. So all these things they have written like this. Guys, registration are on, all the dates of examination, registration, everything is over this email, so please do watch it. Now let me tell you the examination fees, because so many of you are literally dying to know that. One disclaimer I want to know, they just keep on changing the fees, so I'm not telling you 100% that this is fixed. This may decrease, this may increase according to the present situation. So whenever you want to book, please do check the website first. I'm telling you the disclaimer. I'm telling you the right now fees which we are having in August 2021 in front of me, which I am watching on 4th of August, right? 2021, of course. So guys, in Goethe Institute, we are having two types of fees. One is internal and second is external. Now, internal is for internal students who are studying in Goethe, and external is for the students who are learning somewhere else but giving the examination in Goethe Institute, which is German embassy. So for Fit in Deutsch 1 is 1300 for internal and external both, and same for Fit in Deutsch A2. Now this is for kids, not for the young people. So the fees for A1 and A2 Fit in Deutsch is having internal or external students both 1300. Now if I talk about, of course, A1 level, for internal student the fees is 4800 and for external student the fees is 7000, and same will go with A2 course. A2 course is having 4800 fees and 7000 for external. Now from B1, for per module wise it gets starts. So if you want to give the whole exam, it will be total 4500 for internal student. And if you want to give only one module, suppose you have you have not passed only one module, then yes, you can pay only for one module. So that is 1500 per module, and same it goes for external, 4500 for whole B1 and 1500 per module. Now same for B1. Now 7000 or 2800 per module, 11,500 per, 3800 per module. It depends. Like you can see, we are having different conditions which are written clearly. 7000 or 2800 per module, or 11,500 or 1300 per module. This is for internal and external. It keep on changing, so I can't give you 100% surety that when you will be booking this will be fee start, but right now this is there. Now guys, you can see here are the contact details. So Krishna Tyagi, you can talk to them on this particular number. The email ID is also given. She is a customer service language course. So if you want to ask anything related to course or examination, please call. Plus we are having a coordinator examinator, which is Nikita Tandon. So if you want to do, you can do. In fact, we are having some more contacts, so you can do that also. You can see it is written everything here. So yeah, thank you so much guys. This was all about Goethe A to Z examination updates 2021. I thought this video was so much demanding by all of you, so I thought why not to make. So yeah, I hope you liked it. So guys, now I think so each and everything is clear to you, like clear cut in a mind. Everything is just perfect now, because say now you are the king of Goethe because you know everything. So yeah, that's it for today's video guys. I hope you liked it, you enjoyed this video, you have learned a lot of things. If yes, if this video was helpful for you, then guys, please don't forget to subscribe this channel, share this video to all the students who are looking forward for Goethe and everything. So yeah, see you guys in the next video, which is coming up on Saturday. Stay tuned, and yeah, cheers, keep learning German with German Gyan.